Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually share your PDF file here in your Instagram app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and you will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first thing, you cannot directly send a PDF file to your Instagram. You will have to take simply the screenshot of your PDF file. For example, I will go to this document of mine, simply take a screenshot, and I'll share this file to that screenshot to somebody, whoever I would like to send their Instagram a screenshot there in message box. And the other thing that you can do is you will simply just go to your phone browser, simply search WeTransfer, go to this link or go to this website, and then simply tap on send a file option, agree, upload files, go to files, tap on the document that you would like to share. For example, I would like to send this particular PDF. Simply tap on this next option over here. You can say send an email, so I will tap on this get a link option. Tap on this get a link option over there. So once it's done transferring, what you will do is simply get this link over here. You can simply copy this link, and now you will simply go to your Instagram, tap on whoever you would like to send your link to. Simply tap on that person, paste over here, send this particular link to that person. That way they will get this PDF file from WeTransfer. They can download this PDF, and then they will have the file like that. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply do it, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.